Good day and welcome to class. This is ANC TUTORS and the question before us for consideration today is as follows. The sum of four consecutive whole numbers is minus 130. Find the numbers. Okay, so in a question like this, we have to interpret it very well. We have four whole numbers, we have consecutive whole numbers, so it means we are dealing with four numbers that are consecutive. Consecutive means it's following one another, just like 1, 2, 3, 2 follows 1, 3 follows 2, and that they are whole numbers, meaning that they are not fractions, they are not decimal, they are whole numbers. Okay, so to continue to solve, we have to let the first number be hex. Okay, since the numbers are consecutive, it means 1 is greater than the previous one by the value of 2. 2, 3, 4 as an example are consecutive numbers. 3 is 1 greater than 2 and 4 is 1 greater than 3. So using this idea, if the first number is x, then the other numbers will be x plus 1, x plus 2 and x plus 3. This is to show that they are consecutive and that they are whole numbers. Okay, so having our four numbers now, we have to add them together to give us the sum, which is equal to 1 minus 130 as given in the question. Writing this mathematically, we have x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3 to give us minus 130. Looking at the slide, we have this in brackets, and then we have to open the bracket so that we can continue to solve. Whenever we have brackets, please, it's very important that we have to simplify the bracket first before we can continue. And that is why in board mass, the B comes first, which is brackets, which means that we have to simplify the bracket first. Okay, so back to our question. Opening the brackets, we have x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3 is equal to minus 130. Then to simplify this, we have to collect all the x together, on all the numbers together on the left hand side. X plus x plus x plus x is equal to 4x. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6, and that will give us 4x plus 6 on the left hand side is equal to minus 130. Then we move on to collect like terms. When plus 6 crosses from the left hand side to the right hand side, it becomes minus 6, and that will give us 4x is equal to minus 130 minus 6. Simplifying, we have 4x is equal to minus 136. To look for x, we have to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 4. And that will give us 4x divided by 4 is equal to minus 136 divided by 4. On the left hand side, 4 will cancel 4 to give us just x, while on the right hand side, 4 will go in minus 136 34 times to give us minus 34. So x is equal to minus 34, and x is the first number, so we say x, which is the first number, is equal to minus 34. We've just found the first number, which is minus 34. We have to look for the second, third and fourth number, but since we've said the second number is equal to x plus 1, then the second number will be equal to minus 34 plus 1 to give us minus 33. We've said that the third number is equal to x plus 2, which is equal to minus 34 plus 2 to give us minus 32. And lastly, we've said the fourth number is equal to x plus 3, which is equal to minus 34 plus 3 to give us minus 31. So we move on to say that the four numbers are minus 34, minus 33, minus 32 and minus 31.